Good morning, students. Today, our class is English, and we will again start unit number 10 for revision, The Banyan Tree, Ruskin Bond, written by this story. I hope your workbook writing is completed. If not, you just inform me. I will send that video, and this time I am just reading its summary that you can understand, and I will give you some work for you from textbook exercise that you complete and send me accordingly. Let's start the banyan tree unit number 10. This has two parts. First part, summary of this part. First part I am reading. This is the story of what a young boy here, the author Ruskin Bond, saw at his grandfather's house. The author says that though the house and the grounds belonged to his grandparents, the huge banyan tree belonged to him. The author had built a huge platform halfway up the tree. He would spend his afternoon time there. His first friend was a small gray squirrel. He used to platform as his library where he would read books. When the author did not feel like reading, he would look down from the platform and see the world. Through the leaves, one day he saw an interesting fight between a mongoose and a snake. This is the first part, summary of the first part, and I am reading the second part. The author saw a big black cobra gliding out of a clump of cactus. At the same time, a mongoose emerged from the bushes and went straight for the cobra. The cobra and mongoose came face to face in a clearing beneath the banyan tree. Both got ready for a fight. The mongoose fixed his look just below the cobra's hood and opened the attack. The fight started. Every time the cobra attacked, the mongoose sprang aside. Two other spectators, a crow and a myna, also participated in the fight in which the crow lost his life. The fight went on for some time. The cobra grew tired after a while. The mongoose raised himself on his short legs and with a lightning snap caught the cobra by the snout. The mongoose hung grimly on until the snake ceased to struggle. Then the mongoose gripped the cobra around the hood and dragged into the bushes. The myna came to the ground, peered into the bushes, and flew away, congratulating the mongoose. This is the story summary, and you must read this story at home, and I will give you some exercise, textbook exercise work. Very important, that is that you have to complete and send me. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.